Why is my dog such a loner? There's so many dogs here. Look, there's two over there, there's one over there. Here's my dog coming back to me. There's two dogs running over there. There's more over there and over there. There's a pug there. There's Kelly laughing at me. There's a couple over there, and there's Amy laughing at me too. Oh, look at that! That American Eskimo is really cute. Oh, look at that little pup. I know. Where's my dog? Where's my loner dog? Right there, being a loner. He's just going to a tree, marking it again because he's territorial. Oh, never mind. Are you going to talk to that one? Nope, nope. Loner dog. What to do with him? He's just like me. We're both loners. Single for life. Forever alone. There's Pomeranian here now.
Right now? Not very big.
Somewhere over there, actually. Loner dog.
Yeah. So when my dad, I talked to
Pinscher is running. Here's my dog being a loner. Being a social whore, actually. Yes. No, but it must have its rabies shot. There's a massive amount of dogs. My dog's being a loner. That's just the story of his life. Dog, loner. This dog named Toby. And look, it's my shoes. Okay, bye.